friends, and thank you for tuning in. We've got some new and exciting products that just hit our website, and I am excited to tell you all about them. Now today, we are going to start off with this top rack from Tusk. This is for the 2024 and newer KLX 300 Dual Sport and Supermoto models. Now this is killer, and my favorite part about it is we make this right here in Utah. This is right here in our Payson warehouse, and we give this a steel powder coated base and then an aluminum top, so it's going to be light but strong and ready to tackle any job that you need when it comes to carrying stuff on your KLX 300 models. Now the next item that we've got for you today is this. This is the ODI Mud Knuckle Kit. Now if you've ever been in a mud race before, especially once you've had a tip over, those hand grips are nearly impossible to hold on to. This little kit comes with 2 of these rubber strips and then the safety wire that you need to put them on. Now one thing I will tell you is when you are strapping these to your current set of grips, you're going to want to make sure that you line this strip up with your first line of knuckles on your finger. So when you're holding on to it just like that, this is going to give you that nice base and setup so that you can hold onto your grips more securely, especially in those muddy conditions. Now this next product comes to us from UFO. We just picked them up not too long ago, and we have been adding a ton of different complete and full plastic kits for all different types of machines. Now a new and exciting one that we just picked up was this full neon pink kit for the CRF 110 models. These things are sweet, super bright. If you're looking to freshen up your bike though, we have got a ton of different kits that we've been adding to our site from UFO. Click on the link and be sure to put in your year, make, and model of machine to see what color kits we've got for your bike. The next item that we've got is some new t-shirts from FMF. We've got the Power Shield and we've got the Checks. This is giving you that patriotic flair with a small graphic up front and then the big graphic out back. Now both of these are offered in the natural color and the black. If you're looking to upgrade your shirt game, FMF has you covered. Now the last thing that we've got for you guys today is some new colorways from Alpine Stars. With the SM3, we've got 2 new colorways in their Radium helmet line. With the SM7, we've got a new core helmet. This metallic red is awesome. I love this colorway. And then the last ones that we've got is with their SuperTech M10, their top of the line helmet. We've got 2 new colorways with the Eras line. Now the last thing that I've got for you from Alpine Stars are these Tech 10s in the bright red and black. These are awesome. Alpine Stars did a great job of killing it with all these new colorways. If you want to check out any of these new products, be sure to click on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.